Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration problem in Windows. First step is disable fast startup. So press Windows key plus X on keypad. Then in this list, click on power option. Now on this window, here click on addition power settings. Now select this option, that is choose what the power button do. Then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And uncheck this option, that is turn off fast startup. Then save the changes. After this all restart your PC. Now go towards the second step, that you have to restart the router and check the Ethernet cable. Make sure that cable doesn't have any damages to it. Third step is to reinstall the network adapter driver. For this, press Windows key plus X on keypad, then select Device Manager. Now search for network adapter, expand it, and then you can get there your network adapter. So right click on it, disable it, and again right click on it and click on uninstall. After this all restart your computer. Windows will automatically install the drivers for it. Using these steps you can solve your problem. Thank you.